So guys, welcome to my channel. So how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver? So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com, and then you can see this is search box. So click on this and then enter your model number of motherboard B650M D3HP AX, and then hit enter. Then click to see this is click on this. Then click on support. Select your operating system, which is Windows 10 11. So if you select any, because both operating system installations process same, select any Windows 10 and 11. LAN driver, so Realtek LAN driver, and click to download. So it after downloading, just open it, and this is exe, so double click, then click on yes. Now you can see this is installing LAN driver. So it is complete, means it is closed, means this is installed.